Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix automatic closing apps in iPhone. If your apps are automatically closing on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help you fix this issue. First method, restart your iPhone. Restarting your device can resolve many temporary issues. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the slide appears. Slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. Next method, update apps. Ensure that the apps are updated to the latest versions. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right, scroll down to see pending updates, and tap update next to the app or update all. Another method, update iOS. An outdated version of iOS can lead to app compatibility issues. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Another method, check device storage. Low storage space can cause apps to close unexpectedly. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, to check available storage. If it's low, consider deleting unused apps, photos, or files. Another method, close background apps. Running too many apps in the background can lead to performance issues. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the app switcher. Swipe up on the apps to close them. Another method, check for app conflicts. Some third-party apps can interfere with each other. If you suspect a particular app, try uninstalling it to see if the problem persists. Hold on to the app, then tap Remove App. Another method, reset all settings. If the issue continues, resetting all settings may help. Just go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This resets settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers, but doesn't delete your data. Another method, factory reset. If always fails, you might need to perform a factory reset. Back up your data first. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. This will erase everything, so ensure you have a backup. Last method, contact Apple support. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, there may be a hardware issue or a more complex software problem. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.